So I'm bummed to say that this is the second time that we've done this, but I'm also excited to say that we figured it out. So after asking some questions and doing some more reading, found out that these buses originally came with butyl tape, so that's exactly what we went with. Butyl tape is kind of like a clay, putty, Play-Doh consistency. It fills up all the little nooks and crevices because it flexes. We put it on the trim of each window all the way around, top and bottom, side and side. It took a little bit of force, like trying to get the clay into the crevices. Once we got the screws on the side trim, it really just zipped it right in, so no big deal there. And then for the exterior, we ended up running with some polyurethane. It's a lot thicker than the stuff we used in the past, so it goes on kind of like peanut butter. It did a really good job filling up all those little nooks and crannies. If we ever have to do this again, that's exactly what we're gonna go with. The butyl tape did a fantastic job. It really did fill up all those little nooks and crannies. I think we really had 2 windows that leaked a little bit, and that was primarily because the corners of the windows, it was a little bit hard getting the caulking back up in there. If you guys have any questions or need any insights or tips, I've got links in the description below to the products that we used. It was super simple, super easy. I appreciate you guys watching the videos. Like them if you like them, dislike them if you don't like them. And if you could subscribe, we would really appreciate it. And if you guys know anybody interested in this minimalism, tiny house, school bus, conversions, van life, definitely send them our way and we'll try to help them out the best we can. And yeah, I appreciate you guys.